Okay, today is May 9. Ito yung pinadala mong bulaklak, Joy. Look at this flower. It's so pretty. Yeah, kiss the flower, kiss the flower. Kiss the flower. That's from your mommy. Kiss it, kiss. 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 Kiss it, kiss.
File a motion for reconsideration by the end of...
Kiss first, kiss the flower first. Kiss the flower. Come on. Where is it, Johnny? Oh, good. Kiss it, kiss. Here. Not like that, like this. Okay, kiss. Oh, kiss. That's from mommy. Say hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy. Oh, look. Hi, mommy. Look, Johnny. Kakakain na namin. She has rice in her hair. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Mommy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Ate.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Ma.
Ma.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay. I love you. Say I love you.
I love you.
I love you, mommy. Okay, here. Wow, this is the flower. That's it, don't move it now. Okay? I'll just picture it and then I'll picture you too. Here. Oh, my baby Johnny. Happy birthday, mama. Look. Okay, bye-bye now. Thank you very much for the flower. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Brookie. Hello, Pri. Bye, Ate.
Daddy.
Bye.